Hey guys, Samsung is too close to launch new smartphone in 2024 Galaxy S24 series, and today Galaxy S24 Ultra live image again leaked. This is not the first time where we can see the phone design, however the live image gives us pretty much solid look the change that Samsung has made. Well, the leaked image showcasing its flat display panel with surrounding with the thin bezel. In the image, this is a Galaxy S24 Ultra, its titanium grey version, and the real panel look quite identical to the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And this time Samsung giving a last ring for the all 5 component, and last week also the Galaxy S24 Ultra poster leak in Brazil, but already almost all the feature leaked by the server source. Galaxy launched 3 smartphone, Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus and Galaxy S24 Ultra. The Galaxy S24 series will be come with the Android 14 based on One UI 6.1 software pre-install. Samsung launched Galaxy S24 series on 17 January 2024, and check this video to learn more about Galaxy S24 series. So that's pretty much for today's video, and if you found this video informative, make sure to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.